Welcome to Skill Hub, your go-to channel for unlocking opportunities. Today, we're diving into how to make money on TikTok. Let's go over the main ways to make money on TikTok. 1. TikTok Creator Fund, available in select countries, requires 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. 2. TikTok Live Gifts and Donations, receive gifts during live streams, converting them into real money. 3. Brand Sponsorships and Partnerships, companies pay you to promote products based on your follower count. 4. Selling your own products and services, promote and sell your digital or physical products directly. 5. Affiliate Marketing, share product links and earn commissions on sales through various programs. 6. TikTok Creativity Program, Beta, a new high-paying program requiring longer videos for higher earnings. Now that we know how to make money, let's talk about how to grow your TikTok for more earnings. Post consistently, use trending sounds, engage with your audience, collaborate, and analyze your metrics.